The following is an excerpt from the 2023-2024 budget presentation by Prime Minister the Most Honourable Andrew Holness.
We have completed work on a new watershed policy, and this is a critical tool for the management of watersheds, which has again been brought into sharp focus by the ongoing drought. The second policy initiative is for policies governing climate change and emissions. The government has already completed work on two critical companion policies, which is the updated climate change policy framework and the new emissions policy. These policies provide a clear roadmap for how Jamaica intends to respond to the existential threat of climate change and at the same time improve our air quality through the reduction of harmful emissions. Three implementation examples are the transition of our transportation fleet to electric mobility, motor vehicle tailpipe testing under the new road traffic regulations, and the strengthening of the legislative framework to address open burning. This is something that we need to do as a society, especially when we are having so many bushfires. The other policy is something that all Jamaicans would appreciate. All Jamaicans must have access to our beautiful beaches. These beaches must be of good quality and properly regulated to ensure safety, security, economic livelihood, and enjoyment for all citizens. Our beaches are not only a source of recreation, but a significant element of our tourism and the fisheries sector. The development of the beach access and management policy is advanced, and the document will be ready for tabling within the first quarter of the new fiscal year.